What's good, YouTube? Let's go for a vlog. What's good, YouTube? How are you all? Two Wheel Tom again, back with a motovlog. Hope all of you are absolutely okay with this crazy pandemic coronavirus crap that's going about. I hope that none of you have gotten any of the symptoms or fallen ill, or have any family members that have fallen ill through it, as it's not forgiving in the slightest, no matter who you are. It's not a nice thing that's about at the minute, but you know, being only able to do essential travel only, I'm not able to get any motovlogs out. But you know, we'll get there, we'll get there. But I've had to get out on the bike because I've been stuck in the house all week doing oh, look at this fucking idiot. All clever, ain't ya? Like I say, being stuck in the house all week, isolating, not only doing essential travel, it's absolutely sending me crazy. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I feel like I'm a prisoner. So we've had to get out, we've had to get in a vlog, and yeah, I just needed to experience some fresh, well, no, it's not quite fresh air, is it? Let's face it, just air. But you know, keeping me occupied. As you've probably seen already on the channel, if you haven't, go and check it out. I'm doing up a Yamaha R6 track bike that I've recently bought. We're doing it all up. I've just recently done the paint job on the petrol tank, restored that all back fresh, nice glossy white, because it was an awful paint job on there. That went well. I enjoyed doing it, and I think I had quite a good outcome for the first attempt. So that was the first thing we've done to the bike. There's quite a few more things that I'm going to be doing to her, especially whilst this is going on and we're housebound as such. I'm going to change all the frame sliders on there, because when it did go down on that, whoever previously owned it had a slight accident on it on the track. It went down and slid for a little bit, but luckily the frame sliders took most of the damage. The engine case had a slight bit of damage on there, as you saw in the first video. So I'm going to attempt either today or tomorrow to rub that down and respray that, try and get that nice and fresh again. If not, it's no problem, I'll just buy a new engine cover for it, change that, get that looking all fresh again. I'm also going to be either restoring, but it looks like I'm just going to buy some new plastics for her. But before I do put the new plastics on, I want to hit the track on it, as I've never had any track experience prior to this. So I'm guessing with learning from new, there's going to be some slight accidents, or the bike's going to go down, I'm guessing, when I'm cornering, trying to get knee down and stuff. So I'm going to leave the plastics that are on. I'm just going to try and tidy them up as much as I can, fill in some gaps and some paint chips that I can here and there. And then once we've got some experience in, and you know, we're MotoGP ready, I'll get some fresh fairings on her, make her look nice and neat. But apart from that, she doesn't really need much work, to be honest. She's already track ready, as I said. It was a track bike, so it's just literally cosmetics mainly. Just getting her looking nice and fresh. Like I said though, I hope everyone is well and no one's experienced the coronavirus, and if you have, I am sorry for your unfortunate events. I hope no one does get it, or in their families. As I said previously, it is not nice. It's not what we've saw of it, and the death toll is just rising higher and higher. It's not a nice scenario we're in at the minute. That feels good. I knew that it would. Oh my god, that feels amazing. You know, God bless to the all the NHS workers, care workers, all the people that are key workers within the country that's keeping it going. Well, not only in the country, sorry, all over the world. A shout out goes to all of you, because I don't believe that there's enough recognition for them guys. You know what I mean? They're keeping the country going, or the world, should I say, going. Through no selfishness of their own. They've got families just like everyone else, you know what I mean? That everyone's got to stay at home, but we're being asked to sit on our sofas and do nothing, sort of thing, whereas they're being asked to go out there and risk their lives. I take my hat off to them. They're doing a fantastic job all throughout, whether it's, you know, the food companies, food deliveries, like I say, NHS, care workers, everyone support. You have my utmost respect, and I'd like to personally thank each and every one of you that's out there doing anything to help others. Uh-oh. I do not want to get stopped for a non-essential travel. I don't want to be fined, thank you. Over here in the UK, if you are travelling and it's not for essential travel such as shopping or away to and from work, The police now have the power to send you home and also give you a fine of up to £1,000, which is absolutely crazy. But I agree, is needed. You know, it's just I shouldn't be out myself, and I haven't been for a full week, but I just needed a breath of fresh air, man. You know what I mean? With all this going on, it's just mind-blowing. That's it for today's vlog. More vlogs and videos on the R6 are going to be coming very regular. If you have any suggestions for the R6, what to do to her or things to add to her, please drop them in the comments, either on this video or onto the bike rebuild series. And as always, stay safe, ride safe, and in this case, stay hygienic. That's all from me today, guys. If you have enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit a like on the video, drop a comment. Two Wheel Tom out.